Hey fashion lovers, welcome to the Fashion Try-On. If you want to support our channel, please be sure to like and subscribe. And if you like any of the items you see, be sure to check the description for links and discounts. Today we are taking a look at a few ALO yoga accessories. So specifically, I was very interested in seeing the Airbrush underwear. These are non-returnable items. Obviously, you don't want to purchase something that somebody has tried on before. It would be very unsanitary. I do know that, for example, like Victoria's Secret, you can return underwear and they just discard them. So that is different. So keep that in mind. And then we do have some throwback socks to try out. These are in the powder blue colorway, and I actually picked these up as a free gift with purchase using some of my points. So we're gonna take a look at all three of these items because they're kind of typically the less showcased items, but I think still really nice to understand the quality of. So first up, the throwback socks feel like an elevated kind of compression sock material. This part feels really cushiony, so I think that's really nice. The top of the sock feels, again, like very compression-y, like very stable. And then they are connected here with this little doodad, so we're just gonna go ahead and get rid of that. Now, I'm not going to take them out of the package because I might want to gift these away with the holiday season coming up, but you can see that they give a lot of stretch. So I did pick up the size SM, and that says that it should be a 5 to a 7.5, but I would imagine there's a lot of give in here, so keep that in mind. All right, next on to the Airbrush Invisible Thong, and then I also picked up the Airbrush Invisible Cheeky. So let's take a look. Now, first up, I picked these up in the color Champagne and in a size S. Now, I have tried on these before, and I do think they fit true to your sized up size. So I usually do wear a size S in the Airbrush leggings, and I can fit in a size XS, but I personally like the extra room. So I think you should probably just go with whatever your Airbrush legging size is. Now, it basically is the same material, but it just feels a little bit thinner, right? Because you wouldn't want to wear the same thickness of material underneath your leggings. So it makes sense. Now, they do have a lot of give, and I have found that these are going to really be the most invisible underwear that you can wear with your Airbrush leggings. Now, the inside is lined, and it looks like it's kind of a different material. So just keep that in mind. It feels a little bit softer. So overall, I do think these are comfortable, and let me know in the comments below if you've had any experience with them and if you think the same, or especially if you think otherwise. Now let's take a look at the Airbrush Invisible Cheeky. So again, I picked these up in a size S, and these are in the snakeskin colorway. I do believe these are on their way out, or they were kind of a past colorway because they were on sale. So that's always nice to get a little bit of a discount. They are quite expensive. I believe they're $18 retail, but I will leave all that information in the description down below. Now, these are called a cheeky, but they're not like a traditional cheeky, right? They're usually, if you have a cheeky, it's a little bit thicker, like even more so. And this kind of looks like a Brazilian bottom, whereas a cheeky would be a little bit more coverage. So this is definitely an ALO yoga version of a cheeky. It is the same material. It has the same give all ways, not just 4 ways, right? It's like literally all way. And I actually do really like the snakeskin color. Now let's take a look at the inside. We have the same lining in here. So you do have that kind of softer, thicker lining material. And if I give you like a really good close-up, you can kind of even see the knit there. So overall, I do like these. I think they are the perfect pairing for ALO Airbrush leggings. So, keep that in mind if you are an ALO fan and you have not tried these. They are, 76% nylon and 24% spandex. And then you do have some care instructions. I believe that means you wash them in cold, you can dry them, you can iron them, and I'm not sure what that one is. If you know what this last one is, let me know. So there you have it. Let's put them side by side so you can just get a full picture of what the shapes look like. Again, let me know if you have any feedback on these. We would love to hear from you. Thanks so much for watching, and be sure to subscribe.